Today on Crypto Line, we'll be looking at the potential of Dogecoin to hit $10. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Dogecoin has had a great year, as well as a period of dips. But it remains one of the most anticipated cryptocurrencies that's expected to make waves in the current market. Other coins may be gaining while Dogecoin is still biding its time, but it's not too late just yet. We can't rule out the possibility of Dogecoin growing large enough to make up for the lost time. It's also made progress from the joke that it was perceived to be, and it has come to a state at which it's been taken more seriously. Volatility is an enemy and a friend, and Dogecoin has lots of it. But those who know how to take advantage of this are always smiling due to the benefits attached to the activity of the coin. That has put it in an enviable position in the market, such that it's grown massively in trading volume and its market cap currently stands at $31 billion. That's pretty fascinating. It may be down and trading at around 24.7 cents, but it's surely not down and out. Investors are encouraged to hold tight as it remains one of the anticipated cryptocurrencies to go on a bullish run. Before we consider the latest news, we'll be quick to note that Dogecoin remains some ways beyond its all-time high. We're looking for it to reclaim that all-time high before we can aim higher. But that has never truly stopped anyone from dreaming about the chance that Dogecoin would rise the way it needs to be. The desire is relative, though, with many counting on Elon Musk to do something. The monthly target was set at 80 cents at least, but investors are forced to settle for a much-needed attempt to cross over the 50 cents mark. The higher price levels would be deemed possible, especially if we reclaim the height at 71 cents. We're still looking at the prospect of Dogecoin to hit $1 over the next couple of months. Dogecoin is still in a degree of consolidation as news floats into the market. One of which is that of the trademark issue that Dogecoin is involved with against Dogecoin 2.0. The relatively new Dogecoin 2.0 has been accused of being a ripoff of the original Dogecoin. Hence, the Dogecoin Foundation was aiming to sue them on the grounds of infringement. The fight has escalated. Dogecoin imitators number in the hundreds, trying to capitalize on the popularity of the original meme token. The fact that Dogecoin didn't file for trademark protection makes things a bit more complicated, because without it, Dogecoin might not have a ground to stand on. Now, that application is just one among half a dozen vying for ownership of the Dogecoin brand. Among the nearly 100 crypto projects that now incorporate some use of the word Doge, including Baby Dogecoin and Dogelone Mars, one crypto market player is looking to take control of the original brand. The so-called Dogecoin 2.0 was created by Angel Versetti, founder of the company called Moonrabbit Ango Zaibatsu. He also claimed that he had a right to the Dogecoin Foundation too. Why? Because the original Dogecoin Foundation was not functioning at the time. He also merely tweaked some of the Dogecoin source code. The Doge Foundation has responded by stating that Dogecoin 2.0 is just trying to mooch off the records set by Dogecoin already. A trademark would allow the owners to shut down other crypto projects that share a similar name and might confuse market participants. This sure is another controversial name that's coming to Dogecoin. The year remains as remarkable as ever. We can still perceive its blistering rally and winning fans among the market elite, including Mark Cuban and Elon Musk. Those were the good old times that we're looking to recapture. And Dogecoin has hit the headlines once again, and it's been discussed because of a new exchange that's now added it to their platform. Prime XBT is looking to capitalize on the coin's incredible following and its low value, which makes it viable crypto for newbies to consider in the crypto market. The Dogecoin community believes that investors could pump the price per Doge to $1. Dogecoin is one of 7 total altcoin assets that's been listed to trade using long and short positions. The very same tools the platform's users utilize to trade forex, commodities, stock indices, and other top crypto assets. Margin accounts can be funded with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC to access up to 1 to 20 leverage on the newly added altcoins. The list of altcoins includes Cardano, Solana, Chainlink, Polkadot, XRP, Uniswap, and Dogecoin. The addition of volatile coins will do some good for the exchange as trading volume increases with time. So the profitability of Dogecoin is beyond doubt, but can it reach $10? The crypto community would want to see it through to fruition, and they have the support of the self-proclaimed Doge father Elon Musk. For a while now, we've been experimenting with the idea that Tesla would start adopting Dogecoin. The coin, born from a joke on Reddit and a meme based on the hilarious Shiba Inu pup, is suddenly being taken a lot more seriously. Only time will tell if this bandwagon trend will end, or if the asset deserves a place alongside other top cryptocurrencies, or the traditional assets listed on PrimeXBT. All hopes are set on reaching $1, more important than a possible move to $10 in the short term. At the current level of around 24 cents, to reach $1, it would have to grow at least 4 times to get to that level. Hence, a move of about 400% may or may not be broken across the coming weeks and maybe months. If the price of the coin breaks down a bit and loses a bit more momentum, traders can now access the coin via PrimeXBT trading. According to this chart, Dogecoin rose by 2.03% on the intraday, partially reversing a 5.72% slide from the previous session. Dogecoin ended the day at 24 cents. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning intraday low of 23.4 cents before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at 23 cents, Dogecoin rose to a late afternoon intraday high of 24.2 cents. Falling short of the first major resistance level at 24.94 cents, Dogecoin slipped back to sub-24 cent levels before finding late support. Dogecoin then dropped down by 0.42% to 23.9 cents. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high of 24.1 cents before falling to a low of 23.9. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Dogecoin would need to avoid the 23.8 cents pivot to bring the first major resistance level at 24.4 cents into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from Tuesday's high of 24.17 cents. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap the upside. In the event of a broad-based crypto rally, Dogecoin could test resistance at 25 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at 24.6 cents. A fall through the 23.9 cents pivot would bring the first major support level at 23.6 cents into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should avoid sub-23 cents levels. The second major support level at 23.1 cents should limit the downside. Dogecoin is teetering around the edge. It will have to break out one way or another. It's grown in fundamentals over time, and this could play strongly to its advantage. It means it could consolidate more while also being capable of more interesting moves. Dogecoin may reach $10 sometimes in 2022 if it makes it to $1 at least towards the end of this year. The analysts who projected this mentioned it because Dogecoin might not be set to move in the current market. Hence, if it persists over time to the end of the year rally, which has become quite characteristic of the market, then we might have something to look forward to. Let's keep our horses handled with the coin still aiming at $1, then we'll aim at levels at $2 to $5 before venturing much further. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.